Hello students. So today lecture number 3 about JEE mains PYQs. So 10 questions in a day. So the question is what? A metal sample carrying a current along with the densities are mentioned. So densities are so along with a density is given Jx, and next one magnetic field is what? Bz is given along with z axis. Okay, directions are mentioned, and electric field, this is electric field, so along with the y axis is given. So I want the information from this, so that's what first electric field E is it's what along with y axis is directly proportional to Jx as well as Bz. Okay, so Bz. The constant of proportional has SI unit. What is the constant? Y is equals to something constant K Jx Bz. Okay, so this is what K is equals to E by J B. Okay, is this the condition? Now E stands for what? Electric field. It's a electric field. So this is electric field. B is what? It's a magnetic field. Is the magnetic field. J is what? Current density. Yes, current density. Now current density J is equals to what? Current per cross sectional area. Do you know this one? E by B, this is what it says? C. Yes, so this is equals to what? C, C by it's a J, current density. Okay, this is equals to C by current density is what? I, where A means what? This is a condition. Okay, now you write its formula. C is what? Okay, meter in terms of is talking about this one. Just you can use it as C is what? Meter per second. Okay, C, speed of light. It's a meter, correct? Meter square per. I is what? It's a ampere. Yes, this will be what? Meter cube second, next one into A. Okay, so this is meter cube by what? SARA. For the next question, this is from JEE 2023. The speed of a wave produced in water is, so this is given. So lambda is what? Lambda G and rho are, first one is wavelength, next one is acceleration due to gravity and density. Speed of a wave, okay, it's what? Speed is what? Just I'm talking about, it's a speed of a wave. Speed of a wave is what I'm taking as V. V is proportional to lambda to the power of A, G to the power of B, and rho to the power of C. Okay, so first we need to write the dimensional formula. So dimensional formula of V is what? V is equals to LT inverse. Dimensional formula of lambda, it's a wavelength. This is what? It's a L. Dimensional formula of G, acceleration due to gravity, it's a LT power minus 2. Dimensional formula of rho, it's a mass per volume, means this is M L minus 3. Okay, is. Now we can substitute in the given relation, so which is apart from what? Dimensional analysis, to find the relation between physical quantities. Okay, so now I'm talking about what is V is mentioned, LT inverse. This is LT inverse. Lambda is what? It's a L, okay, to the power of A. Next one is G is what? LT to the power of minus 2 whole power B. And density is what you say? It's a density. In place of density, what should I write here? So this is what m L minus 3 to the power of what? It's a C. Okay. So now we should simplify this. Afterwards we can compare the terms. LT minus 1 is, so L to the power of A, next one, L to the power of B, T power minus 2B, M to the power of C, L power minus 3C. Okay. So this will be M0 L T minus 1 is equals to, so M to the power of C, L to the power of, what is this? It's a plus B minus 3C. This. Okay. Next one, T to the power of minus 2B. So compare the terms of M. Compare the terms of M. Okay. So M terms, if you compare, 0 is equals to C. First one, it means what? C is equals to 0. And compare the terms of L. So L terms, if you compare this 1 is equals to A plus B minus 3C. Okay. What is the C? 0. Then I can write A plus B is equals to what? 1. Okay. Compare the terms of T. Okay. This is what? Minus 1 is equals to minus 2B. Then B is equals to what you write? 1 by 2. Substitute in this one. Here A plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. A is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. A is equals to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Option A is correct answer. The question from 2023. So same as the force dimensional formula. Okay, to find the relation between physical quantities. So force, first write the dimensional formula of force. What is this? MLT minus 2. And next one, velocity dimensional formula, LT inverse. Next one, time dimensional formula, it's a T only. And consider as a fundamental physical quantities, then dimensional formula of density. Dimensional formula of density is what? Mass per volume. So M by V, it's what? M L to the power of minus 3. First part is over. Okay. So next I'm talking about this is just what you write, the relation density is proportional to or is equal to F. In order you can write V and T. V power X. This is what? Y. This is what? Z. Write the dimensional formula of density. ML minus 3 is equals to force MLT minus 2 to the power of X. So velocity LT inverse to the power of Y. Next one, T only. So to the power of what is it? It's a Z. Okay. So just I substituted these things. Now ML minus 3 is this is equals to M to the power of X, L to the power of X, T power minus 2X, L power Y, T power minus Y, T power Z. Then compare the terms. Okay. First again one more condition you can write. ML minus 3 is equals to M to the power of only M, X, L to the power of Y. This is X 1, 2, correct? X plus Y and T to the power of minus 2X minus Y plus Z. Okay. So now compare the terms. Yes, comparing the terms, right? It's a comparing the terms. Yes. So comparing the terms is what? First one, M to the first M, I'm comparing this. Comparing the terms of M. So what is M here? 1. 1 is equals to X. My first one is over. This is the first condition. Next one, comparing the terms of L. L is what? So minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to, so what we have? X plus Y. So this is what? X plus Y. Minus 3 is equals to 1 plus Y. Y is equals to minus 4. Okay. So is the second condition. And comparing the terms of T. Okay. Comparing the terms of T. What is the t here? 0 is equals to, what is this? Minus 2x minus y plus z. 0 is equals to minus 2 into 1 minus y means what? Minus 4 plus z. Okay. So this is what? Minus 2 plus 4. So what is this? 0 is equals to minus 2 plus 4 plus z. Okay. 4 minus 2, 2 will become as minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to, what is it? It's a z. So this is what? Third condition. Now we can check about, so to the power of first one x. First one is what? X. X is what? 1. Next one. Y is what? Minus 4. Next one minus 2. So this is minus here printing. Okay. Option is B. Here is the next question. Dimensions of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught should be equal to. What are the dimensions of this? So here you should know this one. Mu naught is what? Permeability of free space. Epsilon naught is what? Permittivity of free space. We have a relation for this. The relation is C is equals to 1 by under root of mu naught epsilon naught. C stands for speed of light. Okay. Speed of light in a vacuum. Okay. So this is what? Speed of light in vacuum. So C square is equals to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So what is the dimension formula of C square? C is what? LT inverse whole square will be what? L square T minus 2. It means L square by T square. So your answer is C. So here is the next question. This is from 2023 again. So here P plus A by V square, V minus V is equals to RT. So they have their regular meanings. And before that we should know about these options. Bulk modulus, okay. Bulk modulus is what? It's a B. Okay. Next one. Modulus of rigidity. Rigidity modulus. Okay. So here also it's what you say? Modulus of rigidity. Energy density is what? Energy per volume. Compressibility. Compressibility is what you say? It's a reciprocal of bulk modulus. Okay. Modulus of rigidity is what you say? It's a eta. Okay. Now let us see this. Yeah. First one, I should know about bulk modulus dimensional formula. Bulk modulus is what? Volume stress. Volume stress by, so volume strain. Okay. Volume strain. This has no dimensional formula. M0, L0, T0. So bulk modulus dimensional formula F by A. F by A is what? ML T minus 2 by what? It's a L square. This will be what? ML minus 1 T minus 2 is the dimension formula of bulk modulus. Okay. So now let me know on this. First one I'm talking about here, this is pressure. For the pressure something is added. What is that? Dimension formula of pressure is equals to A by V square. Correct? Then A is equals to what you say? V square into what it say? P only. And next one, for the volumes something is subtracted. What is that? Dimension formula of volume is equals to dimension formula of B. Then B is equals to what you say? It's a V is next case. So what is the given question? The given question is what? B square by A. It's a B square by A. B square means V square. A means what? V square by P. This cancel. What is the answer? 1 by pressure. 1 by pressure means what? Pressure dimensional formula, bulk modulus dimensional formula are same. Can I write as 1 by B? So 1 by B means what is it say? Compressibility. So compressibility means what is the answer? This. This is what? Compressibility. Okay. It's a compressibility is the relation. Your answer is what? It's a D. Here is the question. February 2023. Okay. So same like to find the relation between physical quantities. If the velocity of light is what? C. I should write first thing is what? Dimensional formula of C. what is this LT inverse? Okay, same model. You see, most repeating models we are giving that. So these models only, but not these questions. Okay, so we should go for the a clear calculation. And universal gravitational constant is what? It's a G. So what is the dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant? G is equals to m minus 1 L cube T minus 2. Okay, next one is about Planck's constant. If you want to write about Planck's constant is what? H. Okay, so you take a help box for G. If you, how do you get it? As F is equals to G into m1 m2 by r square. G is equals to fr square by m1 m2. Okay, from this we can get it, right? And next one, H. H means E is equals to H into nu. Nu stands for frequency. What is the nu? It's a frequency. So then H is equals to E by nu. Write the dimensional formula of E, ml square T minus 2 by frequency is what? T inverse only, no? This will become as what? ml square T minus 1. It's a dimensional formula of H. So this is what you say, it's a ml square T minus 1 is the dimensional formula of H. Now next one, the chosen as this fundamental quantities. The dimensional formula of mass is what? Mass means, so what is the dimensional formula of mass? Mass is directly proportional to C to the power of X, G to the power of Y, and next one, C, H, C, G terminology there. I'm taking as in the same way. Okay, so this is, it's a, so how can I write it? M is proportional to H, C, G. Okay, H power X, this is what? Y, it's a Z. So dimensional formula of mass is equals to dimensional formula of H to the power of X, dimensional formula of C to the power of Y, dimensional formula of G to the power of Z. Then you can substitute it. My M dimensional formula, capital M, is equals to H. H dimensional formula, this is what? M L square T minus 1 to the power of X. C is what? LT inverse to the power of Y. G is what? M minus 1 L cube T minus 2. Okay, is the relation. Now equate the terms. So the comparing the terms of this one. First, before this one, just to expand for this, M is equals to M to the power of X, L power 2X, T power minus X into L to the power of Y, T power minus Y, M power, this is what it says, Z minus Z, L power 3Z, T power minus 2Z. Okay, is the relation. Now we can write them. This is M is equals to, dimension formula of M is equals to M power, first one, M, next one here is the M. Okay, M power X minus Z. So this is what? M to the power of X minus Z. L to the power of, what is there? It's a 2X. Next one is Y. Next one is 3Z. Okay, L power 2X. Okay, so this is 2X plus Y plus 3Z. Okay, and next T power, so what is the T? Minus X minus Y minus 2Z. So it's a minus X. So next one, minus Y minus 2Z. Okay, minus 2Z is a relation. Now compare the terms. First one, comparing the powers of M. Okay, powers of M. 1 is equals to, what do we say? X minus Z is my first condition. Comparing the terms of, what is this? It's a L. L is what? L power what is a 0 is equals to 2X plus Y plus 3Z. Okay, so this is my second equation. And comparing the powers of T, T is what you say? It's a, so 0 is equals to minus X minus Y minus 2Z. So solve the conditions of this. So from the equations 1, 2 and 3, A is equals to 1 by 2, A is equals to 1 by 2, and B is equals to also 1 by 2, and C is equals to minus 1 by 2. Check them. So this will be your answer. Here is the question. So that's what XL and XC represents what? Resistance. So this is what here. Here XL is measured in what? Ohm only. XC is measured in what? Ohm. Okay. So then what you say? From just you need to check it about which is the dimensionless. Dimensionless means what? If I choose about this, it's a ohm by under root of ohm into ohm, ohm square. So this is what? Ohm by ohm. So what is the answer? It's a 1. So your answer is what? Dimensionless means this. Here is the question. The question is match list 1 and 2. So you should know the dimension formula of them. So to write the dimension formula, so we must know about this is what? It's the formula of given physical quantities. First one I'm writing about what is the angular momentum L. L is equals to what? MVR. Okay, MVR. Dimension formula is M. V is what? LT inverse. R is what you say? It's a L. So what is the answer? ML square T minus 1. Okay, so angular momentum ml square T minus 1. Next one, torque. Torque is what? Torque is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Force is what? mlt minus 2. Perpendicular distance is what? L. So we can write ml square T minus 2. So for the torque is what you say? It's a ml square T minus 2. Okay, and stress. Next one is about stress. Stress is equals to what? Force per area. Force dimensional formula mlt minus 2. Area is what? L square. We can write about ml minus 1 T minus 2. So stress is what? ml minus 1 T minus 2. Next one, pressure gradient. Pressure gradient. So this is what? It's a pressure gradient. So pressure gradient is pressure gradient. Gradient means what? It's a divided by x. Time rate means what? Divided by t. So it's a pressure gradient is what? Pressure per distance. Delta P by delta X for better understanding. Delta P pressure is what? ml minus 1 T minus 2. Gradient. What is this delta X? L only. So would become as what you say? ml minus 2 T minus 2. So it's a ml minus 2 and T minus 2. So this will be your answer. Here is the question. So the frequency nu of an oscillating liquid. So same like relation between physical quantities. From today's session, just we have completed about the 3 to 4 models based on what is this? Dimensional analysis. So do concentrate on this type of questions. Okay. So frequency is what? Nu. Frequency dimensional formula I am writing. What is this? T minus 1. Next one. So oscillating in a liquid may depend upon the radius of a drop and density rho. So radius dimension formula is what? It's a L. Density dimension formula is what you say? It's a ml minus 3. Density is ml minus 3. Of surface tension dimension formula force per length. So what is this one? mlt minus 2 by what you say? It's a L. So this will become as what? mt minus 2. Okay, it's a mt minus 2. And next one, this some expression as given. So what is the relation as given? This is what? Nu, it's not V. Nu is equals to R to the power of A and rho to the power of B and S to the power of C. Okay, new dimensional formula. First you write them all the given dimensional formula. Okay, so let me check on this. One new dimensional formula T minus 1 is equals to R is what? L to the power of A and rho is what? Density. Density is what you say? ml minus 3 to the power of B And next one, S is what? Surface tension. Surface tension is what? Mt minus 2. So now we can write T minus 1 is equals to, okay. So L to the power of A, M to the power of B, L power minus 3B, and this is what? C, correct? It's a C, okay. And M to the power of C, T power minus 2C, okay. T minus 1 is equals to, so M to the power of B plus C, okay. First one over, this and this. And L to the power of A, only 1. And next one, another also there, minus 3B, T power minus 2C. T power minus 2C. Compare the terms. First one I am comparing the terms of M. M is what? 0 is equals to B plus C is my first relation. And compare the terms of L. L is what you say? It's a 0 is equals to, what is that? A minus 3B. Okay. Next one. So A minus 3B. L is compared and T is I'm taking as this. This is T. Comparing minus 1 is equals to minus 2C. Then minus minus cancel. C is equals to what? 1 by 2. Okay. C is equals to 1 by 2 means what? B is equals to minus C. Then B is equals to minus 1 by 2. So B, and next one A and B. Okay. Next one B and C. Next I need to go about this one. What is the relation? A minus 3B is equals to 0. Okay. A is equals to 3B. Okay. So then what? A is equals to 3 times of what is B? Minus 1 by 2. What is this? Minus 3 by 2 is next relation. So then what do you write? To option A. Here is the question. This is from JEE 2022. Okay. So the dimensions of B square by mu naught will be B square by mu naught. It's very simple. We should know the relation about this. First one is that electrical energy density. Okay. Electric. Okay. So energy density. Electric energy density. Energy density is what? U E is equals to half epsilon naught E square. Just you please remember, further useful. E stands for electric field. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Okay. So next one, magnetic energy density. So magnetic energy density. So magnetic energy density is what? It's a U B is equals to B square by 2 mu naught is the next relation. So you can see this one, B square by mu naught only, no? B square by mu naught means what? Energy density, right? Energy density means what? Energy per volume. Energy per volume is, what is the dimension formula of energy? ml square T minus 2. Volume is what you say? It's a L cube. This will become as what? ml minus 1 T minus 2. Okay. ml minus 1 T minus 2. Option C is correct.